Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 05 to current Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed. We show how to do this in another vehicle linked below. Step 3. Drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Start by disassembling the sending unit. And any clips that may retain it to your frame. Remove the bolts and pins retaining the skid plate strap. And begin lowering it out of the way. Step 3. Begin cleaning the frame around the plate contact points, around the rear, gas tank, and support cross members, free of rust and debris to allow for solid weld. Step 4. Ensure you orient the parts correctly and begin C-clamping and welding them to the frame, around all available edges and contact points. Reassemble your gas tank, your bed, and you're done.